Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another tarot deck unboxing and flip through. So today we're going to take a look at the highly requested Arcana Iris Sacra by Tina Gong. I will link the website down below in the description box should you feel drawn to purchase this. I am not paid or sponsored for this video. I just simply want you guys to find what you seek. So let's get into it. All right, I've already cut a slit through it. I do have to say the ordering process was really nice. It was really streamlined, simple. They gave you tracking numbers, so I didn't have to worry about where my package was. This is, however, a pretty pricey deck, but from the looks of it, you get what you pay for. So I'm really excited. I think this was $48. But look at how detailed and nice. This isn't painted on. This is real metal gold hammered onto that. This marbling book effect. Look at that. Labyrinth. I can never pronounce it. Labyrinthos. Labyrinthos is the publisher / website that you would go to. It's right here, labyrinths.co. Look at the gilding. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. And this is the back, a 78 card tarot deck and fold out matte card stock with gold foil back. And then there's also an app for this as well. So, and I've used the other deck that they have, the gold and black deck. So anyway, I digress. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this looks like the fold out. Oh my gosh, so there's two ribbons here. Beautiful. Okay, so we're just gonna set that over there. Oh, look at, they're a little skinny. That is interesting. They're pretty skinny, slim. Okay, let's take a look at what this says here. So yes, download the app if this is going to help you out. It has keywords here for the major, and then it goes on to the suits, chalices, swords, discs would be the pentacles. Okay, and then it has some basic spreads for you. Okay, perfect. I'm so excited. Okay. Let's go ahead and flip through here. So we already saw the back, the foiling. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the gold foiling on the side. I will always say it, gold foiling will get dinged, will get scuffed. So it just depends on how rough you are with your cards. Keep that in mind. And when you first get your deck, the cards may stick together. So be careful when separating them. But I'm excited to get going. So the number for the major will be up top and the title will be down on the bottom. They are, you know what? The cardstock is not bad at all. Do you hear that? It is not super thin. It seems pretty flexible. I am loving the fact that it is all matte. Awesome. I love the muted kind of colors too here. This is really pretty. It's a different art style. And it is gorgeous. They are on the skinnier side, so it might get be a little taking used to use them. And I'm dropping down. I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted with it. So yeah, that is exciting. I love the background for that. That's a fun death card. Interesting how they're renamed a little bit. Not a scary double card. There you go. Oh, the tower is different. That's neat. The illustrations are gorgeous. I do have to say, I'm going to probably say that throughout. But you know, the interesting thing as I am flipping through here, the cards are not sticking together. So, caveat, again, you're getting what you pay for. Ace of Wands, that's gorgeous. Look at the little words up there, the key words. You get the symbols, so the Aries. And I don't know my planet symbols very much, so I apologize. That's really great. Okay, so I will say, if this is a deck that you are drawn to and you are a beginner, this might help you out when you're doing your readings, because they are legit keywords up there that will help you through your reading. So very beginner friendly. Even though there's not much of a picture going on, there is. So what is this? This is the Ten of Wands. There's like a little gel cell with the wands. Gorgeous. So it is Prince or Princess, Prince, Queen and King. So instead of Page, Knight, Queen and King. So we're in the cups. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm digging the muted colors, because then you really get to focus on the scene at hand. What a fun and different deck. I love also the earth and water, air and water. So when you're doing a reading and that is important to you, if you're a water sign or air sign, that sort of a thing, to narrow it down, it's perfect. Yeah, I have no complaints. The cards are not sticking together whatsoever. The art is beautiful. The card, it just seems like there's everything that you could possibly want in a deck in this, and I am absolutely thrilled. I started going fast, I'm sorry. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry. I'm going to apologize for like all of my commentary. But yeah, I cannot find a complaint. The only thing is that it's like skinnier cards. So had it been like maybe like the standard card side, it might be nice, just because you could probably add a little bit more illustration in there. But it does the trick. It's perfect. I think beginners will absolutely love this. I think it's great for any level of expertise here. I think you're going to get a great reading out of this. I'm already connecting with it as I'm flipping through. And, you know, if this is something that calls to you, I would say spend a little bit more and you'll have a deck that will last you and you can learn and grow with. Absolutely. Well, looks like those got out of place a little bit, but here is the king. Do I not have a king? Oh, hold on. Did I go through and not have a king of pentacles here? Okay, well, I don't know. Shoot, maybe they did not give me one. Let's see. Princess, Prince, Knight of. Okay, let's see. What does that mean? As I'm flipping through, I want to make sure that I'm reading it right. Okay, so this is right. So Knight, Queen, Prince, Princess. Okay. Okay. Perfect. We found the missing piece. All right. So it's a little bit different in that aspect. So now that I have my little mini freak out. And moving the mic or the phone stand around, let's go ahead and shuffle these babies here. All right. Nice. Oh, this is gorgeous. So yeah, those of you with smaller hands, this is fantastic for you. All right, let's try it this way. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. No complaints. Let's just take a card. We got the Ace of Swords. So let's go ahead and flip through here and see where the swords are. And we have Ace, so it says insight, clarity, breakthrough, cutting to the heart of the matter, and sudden inspiration. So perfect. There you go. That is amazing. All in all, let me just say it might get a little interesting to get used to with the size and then with how they are dealing with the court cards. But this has all the meanings for you. Some of you might be a little disappointed that you're paying a little bit more money and you only get a fold out. But here's my thought process. It has everything it needs as far as your information goes. And it has the common spreads here. You'll be able to do, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, you will be able to do a rating just fine with this. What you're paying more for is the quality of the cards and the artwork. The cardstock is fantastic. It is not too thick. It is not too thin. It shuffles beautifully. And the other thing that is so awesome is the cards, even though they are gilded, they did not stick together when you are separating them. There have been many times I have destroyed a card because I'm trying to separate the gilded edges from each other. So this was awesome. It was a great experience to be able to know that I was not going to self-sabotage myself there. And they shuffle beautifully. They feel great. They're matte. They have the foiling. You are definitely getting what you pay for. And then this little book here, the packaging, absolutely gorgeous. You get 2 ribbons. I'm going to be confusing myself on how to use that the rest of my life. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Can you just imagine that sitting on your shelf or wherever you store your cards? How gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. So yeah, it did take a little bit to get here. I'm going to say about 5 to 7 days. So just know that they do take a little bit extra time because it's not like Amazon Prime. So all in all, I think it was like $5 to $7 for shipping. But I'm just going to say, if this is any way something that you are drawn to and it's something that you think that you're going to love, but you're hesitant on spending the money, I'm here to tell you it's worth it. Especially, so if this might be your first deck, or you're looking for a more professional looking deck, or you're looking for a more all around everyday deck, this is a good quality. You're getting your bang for your buck. I'm going to say it a million times. You're getting your bang for your buck here. And I like to think that when I do videos, I am unbiased. I'm going to tell you exactly how I feel regardless of who did the deck or what. So honestly, my opinion, I would buy this 10 times again. If this gets destroyed, I would buy it again, just strictly on the professionalism of the box and the quality. So yeah, I have no problem with the price at all. Again, if we compare it to the Fountain Tarot, which is like maybe $8 to $10 less, it was a $40 deck, absolutely would go with this 100% each and every time, just for the quality alone. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm going to drag this video on by just praising it. But yeah, if you are interested in this deck, I highly suggest going online and purchasing it, because I don't think you could go wrong if this is something that you're drawn to. If you want to try it out first, they do have the companion app that when you go onto the website, you can download, I believe, for free. So then you can try out the deck, see if you like the images a little bit more, and go from there. Again, pleasured experience. I did have to wait a little bit longer, like I said, but that's to be expected. They do give you a tracking number. They email you every step of the way. So again, professionalism, the just all around great experience. So I highly recommend this should this be a deck that you are drawn to. Let me know if you own this deck or if you've used the app down in the comments section below. I would love to know your experience. And let me know what you think. If you don't own this, either way, let me know what you think down in the comment section below as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all being there. And if there is a deck I have not already reviewed or unboxed for you on my channel, drop me a line in the comment section, or you can find me on Instagram. I have all of those links down in the description for you below, and I will try my best to get my hands on them for you, okay? So thank you again, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video, and I will see you in my next one. Have a great one. Bye, guys.